Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change Google Chrome language back to English. This can be really handy if your settings have been changed accidentally or after borrowing a device. Once Chrome is open, you will need to find the settings. Click on the three vertical dots in the upper right corner of the window. This might be in a different language, so look for the gear icon towards the end of the menu. In the settings menu, you will need to find languages. As our settings are in another language, look for an option on the left sidebar that has the symbol A. Under languages, right at the top, there will be a section for preferred languages. If English isn't already listed, you can click on this button here to add it. Search for English, select it by ticking the checkbox, and confirm by clicking on the button to add it. Next, click on the three dots next to English and tick the checkbox to set it as your Google Chrome language. Lastly, you will need to relaunch Chrome for the changes to take effect. Click on the button that pops up. Chrome will close and reopen in English. And that's it. Your Google Chrome should now be set to English. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions or suggestions for the topic you want me to cover, please drop a comment below. I'll catch you in the next video. Take care.